what is a flywheel organization? Flywheel organization is the one, it believes fundamentally in digitization. It believes in dematerialization. It believes in demonetization. Flywheel organization is the one that believes in democratization, in deception, and in disruption. How does it make it happen? It makes it happen by getting in a perfect balance between the human and the machine. Perfect balance. And what is this perfect balance bringing in for you? This perfect balance is bringing in for you a very different level of scalability. I explained it yesterday that by doing digitization, by doing dematerialization, by doing demonetization, how very simply transorganization model at least became 5x and 25x in terms of the number of times I can connect with you to the number of believers count that has increased. So model has shifted and thereby the impact. Flywheel organization believes that if I have to bring in this tangible shift in the market, the way they think, you will have to bring in the right intelligent interfaces. You have to bring in the right dashboards to monitor how we are doing things at various interface level, at various touch point level. You will have to bring in the culture of experimentation within the organization. You have to bring in the culture of autonomy within the organization. And you have to bring in those technologies which are social in nature. That means I should get real time feedback from the market and the world about what am I doing and how is it impacting the world. That is another important characteristic of the flywheel organization. Now, these organizations are also called as exponential organizations. Until the time you do not have exponential strategy, you will not be able to solve the problem space. You will still be struggling in your economy space.